There's definitely a lot of pride throughout the company, and including this TrapStik. We've seen it go from several different variations, always improving, always getting better. Hi, I'm Jaclyn. I am the sales coordinator here at Rescue, and I'm here to show you the TrapStik for Wasps, mud daubers, and carpenter bees. So first, when you're looking at the packaging, in the middle here, there are bird guards twist tied together. You're going to want to remove those. It might take a little bit of wiggling. Promise, they come out. There's a perforated strip, so you're going to tear that down. And then this just comes right off. There might be a little bit of adhesive webbing, but we've designed it so that it is not going to stick to you. It keeps the insects stuck. The best places to grab it are the caps. Nothing sticky on there. So there are 6 guards. You're just going to place your thumbs on each end and snap them into place. Now the cool thing about this trap is it uses what we call visular technology, which is the pattern that you see, the greens and the yellows. They're visually attracted instead of scent attracted, so there's no smell, no chemicals, just adhesive. So now once you have the guards on, there are a bunch of holes on both caps. You're going to take the twist tie. There's 2 ways to hang it. The first way is vertically, and the best place to hang these this way is under eaves of houses or anywhere where you see wasp activity. To catch carpenter bees, you're actually going to flip it on its side, and the twist tie just goes hang it horizontally. And you're going to want to hang this anywhere there's wood or where you've seen carpenter bee damage on your house. I am Jaclyn, and I hope you enjoy your TrapStik for wasps, mud daubers, and carpenter bees. I've been with the company for about 1.5 years now. I actually met my husband here. Day 1, we sat next to each other. His family also works here. His dad, his brother, and his sister. Just seeing all the families here and the culture in general just shows it's a company to stick with.